Today we are adding algebraic fractions. All that means is that we're going to have variables in either the numerator or the denominator or both. Now, when we add fractions, we need to remember that if we are adding 1/2 plus 1/3, that our common denominator was the least common multiple of 2 and 3, in this case 6. When we convert 1/2 and 1/3 to sixth, we ask ourselves what times 2 equals 6, and that of course is 3. And if we multiply the denominator by 3, we've got to multiply the numerator by 3. And then what times 3 is 6? 2. And so, of course, 2 in the denominator means 2 in the numerator. Now that we have the common denominator, we multiply our numerators. 3 times 1 is 3, and 1 times 2 is 2, and 3 plus 2 equals 5. So our answer is 5/6. We're going to do much the same with our algebraic fractions. If we look at our example, the first thing we want to do is to find our common denominator. And when we are finding the common denominator with variables, we want to pick every variable that's different and then the largest exponent. That would be the least common multiple. And so for this example, our common denominator is a squared x cubed. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to look at our individual denominators and ask ourselves, what do we need to multiply the first denominator by, the ax cubed by, to make it a squared x cubed? And we can see that it needs an a. So an a in the denominator means an a in the numerator. And then on their second one, we have a squared x. We need to multiply it by x squared. So x squared below means x squared above. Now that we have the common denominator, we multiply our numerators. So 2 times a is 2a, plus b times x squared is bx squared. We're going to put that over our common denominator, which is a squared x cubed.